Hey guys, Opie here. Welcome back to my Brew City Garden. Today is day 5 of the straw bale conditioning process. Today we're going to put a half a cup of high nitrogen fertilizer per bale, and we're going to water that in with approximately 1 gallon of water per bale. It seems that maybe this is monsoon season here in Wisconsin because we are getting rain once again today. For me, that's fine. It doesn't bother me a bit. So all I need to do is lay out the fertilizer, and Mother Nature's going to take care of the rest, which is great by me. It's going to save me some time. I got a lot of things to do today. I'm busy, so it works out just fine. Also, I want to take the temperature of a couple of bales today. We'll see, where we're at, and we'll go from there. All right, come on, guys. Okay, so if we look here, the ambient temperature is about 60 degrees. Let's toss this inside the bale here and see what we end up with. And as you can see, that temperature is quickly increasing. We've had a lot of rain in the last 2 days, so that may have some effect. We're already at 100 degrees. So it looks like with all this rain, we're sitting at just under 100 degrees. Could definitely use a little more fertilizer, and a dry day or two would be okay. It's not a big deal though. Let's go take a look at another bale. All right, so let's check a bale on the opposite side of the garden. Let's see what we got here. My thermometer's sitting back at 60 degrees. Let's just shove that thing right down in there. Let's see where it goes. Oh, it's increasing quickly. So not all the bales are going to be the same temperature. It's kind of washed out there. Let's see what we got. So quickly up to 120 degrees. And slowly climbing. I'd say this bale is probably sitting somewhere around 130 to 135 degrees. We're doing good. Looks like I gotta hurry. The rain is coming. Half a cup per bale, high nitrogen fertilizer. Let's do it. Okay guys, today's video is short and sweet, but here's the wrap up. Day 5 of the straw bale conditioning process consists of adding a half a cup of high nitrogen fertilizer per bale and watering it in with approximately 1 gallon of water. Luckily, Mother Nature has taken care of a good portion of the watering, almost to an excess. Some of my bales are actually cooling down, whether it's because the fertilizer has been consumed by the microbes in the bale, and I'm sure some of it has begun to wash out through the bale, and so that's why it's important to keep adding these layers of fertilizer and in getting it watered in. To be honest with you, it's kind of been perfect. The seasoning process that I'm experiencing this year is the best yet out of 3 years of growing in straw bales. So even with the relentless rains, some somewhat cooler weather, things are going great, and I'm happy with it. And you know, it's just, it changes every year. You never really know how it's going to go, but this year I'd say it's going pretty well. So I'd just like to thank you for joining me here again for day 5 of the straw bale conditioning process. Be sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to follow me through the rest of this series and the rest of the growing season. It's going to be a great time. All right, guys, we'll see you.